In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable GPS tracking in Hubstaff. If you need to turn off location tracking for your Hubstaff workspace, this process is straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Before you begin, make sure you're already signed into Hubstaff and that you have the permissions needed to access organization settings. If you don't see the same options, it may be because your role doesn't allow changes at the organization level. Start from your Hubstaff dashboard. From there, look for the settings option and click on it. This will take you into the main area where workspace and organization preferences are managed. Settings is where Hubstaff places most of the administrative controls, so this is the first stop for making changes like this. Once you're inside settings, click on schedule. Even though GPS tracking might sound like something you would find under a tracking or activity section, in this layout you'll need to go through the settings navigation to continue. Take a moment to let the page load fully so you can see all the available tabs and categories clearly. Next, click on Map. This section controls the location-related settings in Hubstaff, including GPS tracking behavior. If your team uses mobile tracking or location-based features, this is the area where those options are typically managed. Make sure you're in the correct section before changing anything, especially if your organization relies on location data for reporting or fieldwork. After that, look for the option that is currently enabled for GPS tracking and click on Off. This action disables GPS tracking in Hubstaff. Once selected, the settings should reflect that location tracking is no longer active. In some cases, changes apply immediately, so it's a good idea to visually confirm that the option now shows is turned off before leaving the page. And that's it. You've successfully disabled GPS tracking in Hubstaff. As a quick tip, if you're making this change for privacy reasons or as part of a policy update, you may also want to review any related mobile or team tracking settings nearby so everything matches your intended setup. Just be careful not to change other options unless necessary. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to disable GPS tracking